Assalamualaikum students. I am Ramesh Sultana from United Public School. Welcome to my class Biology 8th class. In before class what we learned ma? We conduct an experiment. So now we can continue this experiment. Let us continue our experiment. What we have to do? I will test this new hypothesis bean seed sprouted best in combination of clay, sandy soil, potting soil. So what he will tell? He will tell that the bean will be sprouted best in both combination of sandy soil as well as potting soil as well as clay soil. Okay na? So what we have to do now? We have to using our process skill. What is our process skill? We have to observe, we have to compare and we have to classify. What we have to observe? Use the senses to learn about object and events. Identify characteristic things or events to find out how they are alike or different, and we have to classify groups and organized objects or events in the categories based on specific characteristic. Okay now what we have three types of process skills. What we have? Observe, compare and classify. This is what we have to observe. We have to observe, and while seeing object we have to observe. And what we have to compare? We have to compare one object with other object by seeing the identify characters, by seeing their characters. What we have to do? We have to classify the object based upon their specific characters. Okay, so here Sakit is a boy. He are using the process skills and conduct an experiment and investigate an experiment. Let us do our experiment. Did you see in this picture? What you will be see? There are many kinds of shells are present. They are differ in the shape. They are differ in the size. They are differ in the color. Yes or no? This is your observing. What is our process skill? Observing. So first we have to observe. What we have to observe? We have to observe the shape, their size, their color, and we have to compare with one shell to another shell. We have to compare with one shell to another shell. Okay, afterwards what we have to do? We have to classify them. Okay na? Based upon their character we have to classify them. Again Charita is there. He will also plan and conducting an experiment. Let us do what he will do. She collect 3 rocks, measure their mass and put the rock in a jar with sand and water. She shakes the rock every day for a week. What he will do ma? Just he collect 3 rocks and he will measure their mass and he will put the rocks in a jar, as well as you take, instead of jar you will take a glass, and along with that glass you take some amount of salt and water. She shake the rock every 3 days for a week. What he will do? He will do what she will do? She will do she shake the rock every day for a week. Then she measure and record the mass of the rock, the sand and the container. She interprets her data and conclude that rocks are broken down when sands rub against them. Then what she will do ma? What she will observe and she will record means she will record and observe that the rock materials are broken down into small pieces when the sign rubs against them. When the sign rubs against them, then the rock materials are there na, these are broken down into small pieces. Okay students, did you got my point? Here another plan we have to investigate, that Arvind wants to find out how the light switch in his bedroom work. So it is commonly that in our home also it is uses he uses batteries, a flashlight bulb, a bulb holder, thumbtack and a paper clip to help them. These are the materials which are used by the Arvind while conducting an experiment, while conducting an experiment. So here he will use the process skills. What he will do? He decided to use a model of the switch and the wire in the wall. What he will do? He will use a model of switches and as well as wire in the wall. He predict the bulb, wire and batteries have to connect it to make the bulb glow. What he will do? He will do bulb. He will take bulb and as well as wires and they connected with the batteries to to make the bulb glow. And what he will infer, that the moving paper clip interrupts the flow of electricity and turn off the light. What he will infer is that the moving paper clip, with the help of this paper clip, the electricity will be flow, and the turn off the light will be off. Arvind Model verifies the prediction and inference. Here Shweta is also plans to investigate. What he will plan, what she will plan, ma? She wants to know what type of towels absorb the most water. She plan a test to find out how much water different. So here Shweta is there. Okay na? She wants to know what type of towels, water towels, man, that the towel which are observed in our daily life, that we call that in our daily life, that absorb most water. Yes or no? Yes. She plans an test to find out how much water different types of towel will absorb. She can then suggest her father which type of towel is the best one to buy. Then he will her father, which type of towel is the best one to buy. So here what we have to do, so here just you see Shweta will use the process skills. In this investigative type, we have what we have to use, which type of skills we have to use, we have to use process skill. So she chooses three types of towel. She hypothesized the think himself. What we mean by hypothesize? A possible answer that one type will be observed more than other type. That what he will think, no, one type only towel will be absorb more water than other types. She plan and conduct an experiment to test her hypothesis. So she plan and conduct an experiment. She conduct an experiment to test her hypothesis. These are the following steps that are involved in her hypothesis, that are involved in her. Have to pour 1 liter of water into each of the 3 beakers. What we have to take? We have to take 3 beakers and pour into that 1 liter of water and soak a towel from all 3 brands into different beakers for 10 seconds. Just what we have to do? We have to take 3 brands of towel and soak them into for 10 seconds. After that, take the towel out of water and let them drain back into. After that, what we have to do? We have to take the towel out from the water. Then afterwards, we have to keep that towels into the beaker for 5 seconds. Now measure the amount of water left out each beaker. So what we have to do? At last, we have to measure the amount, how much water is present in each beaker. Measuring is nothing but scientists use different types of measuring instrument for measurement, like a thermometer, clocks, timer, ruler, spring, balance, etc. and scale. With the help of this instrument only scientists will be measure. Did you see here? Just you see here a girl is there. While using scale he will be measured. Like in maths also, by using scale you will be measure the centimeter, meters, like that. Using numbers is nothing but scientists will be use numbers for when they collect and display their data, understanding numbers and using them to show the result of investigation. So what he will be conduct an experiment with the help of numbers. He will be display there, he will show their result. Interpreting data is nothing but the scientists collect, organize, display, interpret data as they do investigation. Scientists choose a way to display the data with the other understand what they help to learn. So here just scientists what he will do while investigation, they show their data with the help of like a bar is there, charts is there, and tables is there, graph is there. With the help of this they will show the result. Using number sense, scientists must understand what the numbers they are used represent. They compare values, computes the numbers show on graphs, and record the measuring scales given on thermometer, measuring curves, beakers and other tools, etc. So scientists will be understand by using the numbers. They compare their values with other values by using measuring scales, thermometers, measuring curves, beakers, other tools, etc.